the elevated surface, knee, left knee over the ankle, lean forward and lower down. Every 2-3 once you can hop, although it's so difficult. I don't even think I can pull off a hop. Woo! Oh my goodness, this is seriously ridiculous. All right, get down on your back, butterfly, hip thrusts. 1, really squeeze at the top. 2, squeeze. 3, squeeze. 4, squeeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, squeeze. 10. Come back up and lay down, halfway down, legs extended in front of you, knee in, knee in, pull the belly in, knee in, knee in. The entire time your core is on fire, on fire. All right, let's target the shoulders and back in pike press, stepping your feet out, hands in diamond alignment, lower down, squeeze, shoulder squeeze. Someone asked me today on Instagram, do I get my shoulders from yoga? And yes, I do, and this is it. Not just this, but this is really good for the shoulders. Upper chest as well, of course. All right, back to the top. Low squats, the beautiful low squat. Stay in this space. Stay low. Really have to